CoSpaces Edu tutorial, How to Search a 3D Object by Benjamin. If you want to make a 3D model in CoSpaces, you want to press the upload button located in the bottom far left corner. When you press the upload button, this box should pop up. You want to press the 3D model button. Once you press the 3D models, you want to press the web search. Right there. After you press the web search, this purple box should pop up. Then you want to type in what you want to search. After when the purple box pops up, type in what you want to search. Then you should get a box of items, and then when you find the item you want, simply drag it down to the space. Then you should have the item that you have selected on your space.